everyone. So it's one of my favorite times of year. It is time for the FabFitFun box, and it's a heavy one. This is the spring box, and it is definitely spring weather lately. It's raining right now. It was like warm earlier today, and now it's raining, so it is definitely spring. And I am definitely ready to open my FabFitFun box. So I noticed that this month's charity is the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. I know he's an actor, but I didn't know he had a foundation. And I'm sure we will learn all about it in this month's magazine, which is right here, and it has Venus Williams. Oopsie! Venus Williams on the cover. So we will read that later. Okay, we've got a gift card for HelloFresh. I've tried HelloFresh before and I'm not a huge fan. If you can read that code, you can totally have this gift card. I'm sure it's a first come, first serve. So if you can read it, you can have it. Oh, we've got lots of goodies. Oh my god, it's freaking heavy. Lots and lots of goodies. Where to begin? Let's take out the pillows. Ooh, Chorus. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I know that it's a really good brand. Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I am down for that. I love rose. Anything roses. Hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells good. Okay. I am probably going to try this tonight. I'm excited about this one. Moving on. Lavido? I'm not sure. Body lotion. Mandarin orange and bergamot. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Everything's got to have a goddamn seal on it. Ooh, that's nice and thick. Oh, it smells like oranges. Oh, I like that. It soaks right in. It's not greasy. It smells good. My skin is like super soft and it smells like oranges. This is probably going to be a new favorite. I'm liking that. Okay. Dr. Brandt, another awesome brand. That's why I love FabFitFun. It's all like awesome brands that are like really high quality. No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Okay, gel or gel? I think it's gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Thank you. Yes, please. Needles no more. Or just no needles at all. No, thank you. It doesn't want to come out. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's orange. Huh. I put it on top of the orange scented lotion, thinking that I was going to see if this has a scent to it. Yeah, it smells like oranges. Anyways. Moving on. I'm excited about this. I'm definitely going to try this. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Ouai leave-in conditioner. I am all about leave-in conditioners because my hair, even when I use a shampoo and a separate conditioner, but my hair is just so dry and damaged, I have to have something extra to leave in, and this one has a bunch of plastic around it. So, oh, here we go. That smells good. It's very light. It's not like super fragranced. So, I do have a favorite leave-in conditioner, but I'm always down for trying something new. So yeah, I'll give that a try. Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. I've never heard of this brand, but okay. It's got probiotics in it. Does that really do anything for your skin? Like, probiotics are good for your insides, but putting them on the outside of your body, does that really do anything? I don't know. It might just be a gimmick. It might actually do something. I don't know. It doesn't smell great. I'm thinking it maybe doesn't have a lot of artificial, like, fragrances in it, which is a good thing if you're putting it on your face, because you don't want to break out from your face cleanser. It's got some fragrance in it, but it's like at the bottom of the ingredient list, so it's got like a lot of natural stuff in it. Okay, I'll give it a try. Moving on. Oh, we've got a water bottle from Swell. Oh my god, that's awesome. And it's black. Like my soul. Love it. I can't open it though. How many ounces did this bad boy hold? And it's insulated. And hand wash only. That's cool. I don't know, but it's supposed to keep your hots hot and your colds cold. I don't know for how many hours, but we'll find out, because I will definitely use this. And I love that it's just simple, plain black. I love that. Okay. We've still got stuff in here. What is this? Relax. Champagne charcoal scrub. Oh, okay. It's a body scrub. I'm intrigued. Oh, God. Nope. Almost. Almost. There we go. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. It freaking smells like champagne though. Oh, it looks like shit, but it smells good. Okay, charcoal is supposed to be really good for like getting toxins out of your skin, I guess. I don't know. That's what they say. I am kind of excited to try this, even though it looks really gross. It smells really good, and it's very scrubby, so it will probably do a good job of exfoliating all the dead skin cells that I've accumulated this winter. So, kind of excited for that one. Okay, it looks like the last item, I think, I'm pretty sure, yep, the last item. And I know what this one is because I chose it. They give you the option of choosing, you know, this or that. And I chose a backpack. It's all wrapped up. Here we go. That's cute. That's about the size I was expecting it to be. It's really cute. It's canvas. Fake leather, I'm pretty sure. And, yeah. Oh, bless you. Yeah. Vegan leather. So very cool. Just cute little fun backpack. I might change over my purses today and use this for a little bit. So that is the FabFitFun box. I really like everything that was in this month's box. I usually do. There may be times when there will be like 1 or 2 products that I'm not really happy with, but for the most part, I'm always happy with my FabFitFun box. And the retail value far exceeds the price that you pay for it. And they're all like fantastic products. Swear to God, I'm not getting paid by FabFitFun to say all this. Although if they wanted to send me a free box now and then, that would be pretty cool too. So I'm going to read my catalog. I'm going to learn about the Ian Somerhalder Foundation and learn about the products and all other fun things that are in this catalog. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey everybody, so I've got a little review of the Sip by Swell water bottle that was in the Spring FabFitFun box. Long story short, I love it. I used to kind of like inwardly make fun of people who have these bottles. I'm like, oh, look at you with your fancy water bottle. Now I get it. This thing doesn't sweat like a lot of plastic tumblers, and it does keep your water really cold. I put 5 ice cubes in it at about 7:20 this morning, with some water, and at noon there were still a little bit of ice in it, and I finished it off a little before 3, and there was still like a teeny tiny little chunk of ice still in it, and the water was nice and cold. So yeah, I'm a convert. I'm gonna throw away like all my plastic cheap, you know, I call them sippy cups. Other people might call them tumblers, whatever. And these are perfect for work because we have to have like a what do you call it, a drinking vessel with a secured lid. So those have a secured lids. I don't always like drinking out of straws. So yeah, I'm a fan. I don't know what else to say. If you don't have one of these, you should definitely get it, whatever the price is. Actually, I think it was $19.99, I think is the retail value. But I was gonna say whatever the price is, it's worth it. Yeah, they're like $19.99 and 15 ounces, and it keeps your water nice and cold for a long time. So I would definitely recommend these. Okay, so I am here to try the I don't know how to pronounce it, leave-in conditioner. So just gotten out of the shower. I just shampooed and conditioned with my regular shampoo and conditioner. Ugh. So let's try it out. Mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing and or heat styling for added conditioning, thermal protection, and control. Cool, I didn't know it was also for like heat protection. That's cool. Oh, it smells good. It's very subtle, slightly floral. I feel like I have to use a lot because it's not very heavy duty like my other one is. Okay. Okay, I didn't spray any up there. So I've got lots of tangles. Okay, so compared to my regular leave-in conditioner, this one doesn't quite, like the comb doesn't glide as smoothly through my hair. There's still a little bit of tingleage. The true test will be when my hair dries. I'm just going to let it air dry today, and we'll see if we've got frizzies, or if it feels crunchy and gross. Okay, so all in all, it's not bad. I feel like I had to use more of this than I do with the leave-in conditioner that I normally use. And there's still a tiny bit of tingleage. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I will come back to you with, I guess, my final report. So stay tuned. Okay, so it's been about 4.5 hours later since I've used this on my hair. My hair is air dried, as you can tell. It did make it like a little bit kind of crunchy, but I think as I've kind of been touching my hair throughout the day, that kind of worked the crunchiness out. I still feel like my hair is a little bit not as soft as it normally is when I use my regular leave-in conditioner. So I think this is an okay leave-in conditioner, but I don't think it's fantastic. And I don't know off the top of my head what the price is, but I know that it's a little up there. So I'm not sure that I would really recommend this unless you just have like great hair that isn't really dry, because my hair is dry and damaged because I color it. If your hair is like perfect, this might work better for you than it does for me. It's okay, but I prefer my other leave-in conditioner, so this is alright. Not fantastic. Hey everybody, so it is early morning once again, and the eyes are struggling to stay open. So we're going to try the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. I don't really have dark circles, and I don't think I really have really big under eye bags. They're kind of visible, but I got the puffiness. So, and it probably didn't help that I had Chinese food yesterday. All that sodium makes you puffy. So, let's try it out. La la la. So, I guess just a wee tiny little bit, if it'll ever come out. So it comes out the salmon color, and I guess I was expecting it to go on the skin looking salmon-ish, but it totally blends right in. I don't think I got enough on the right eye. Okay, now that I have my glasses off and I'm looking like up close in the mirror, yeah, I've got under eye bags. Yay! Okay, so it absorbs like right now. It's not greasy at all. In fact, it's not even like really creamy at all. It just, like, as soon as it touches your skin, it absorbs, like, it's gone. So that's a plus, especially if you're putting this on in the daytime and you're trying to start your day. You don't want to be walking around with, like, greasy under eyes. It's a little bit different if you put on an eye cream before you go to bed because you're just sleeping. You don't have to worry about walking around with, you know, greasy eyes. I don't know. So I'm giving it a minute to kind of soak in and do its stuff. I probably should have only done one side so that I could compare to the other side. But I wasn't thinking that far ahead. It's still very early in the morning and I haven't had any caffeine. So the fact that I'm able to form sentences is kind of a low-key miracle right now. Okay, let's check this out. I don't really see much of a difference. Like I said, maybe I should have just put it on one side to compare, but I'm really not seeing a difference. Maybe it takes a bit longer to kick in. I don't know. So I like the fact that it totally absorbs in. I'm loving that. I think I'll give it a little while and see if it just takes time to work its magic. So I think I'll get back to you on this one before I give a final verdict, so stay tuned. Okay, part 2 of the review of the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. So, I didn't really notice much of a difference even later on in the morning, later on in the day. I don't think there's much of a difference now. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Actually, right now, my eyes look better, but of course, when you first wake up, your eyes are going to be like puffy and stuff, so, yeah, I think it's an okay product. I probably wouldn't, like, spend the money on it myself, like, to just go out and buy it, but, I think pretty much my favorite thing about it was that it absorbed really well. It wasn't greasy, and, even though it's, like, it comes out of the tube kind of pinkish salmonish, it doesn't, like, leave any color on your face. So, final verdict, it's just alright. Hey y'all. Okay, so I've been using the, backpack purse thingy for probably about 2 weeks now. And I think I'm gonna change over to a different purse. So here it is. It's really cute, and it's fairly good size. I usually need like a huge purse, and this is actually pretty good size. It holds all my essentials. I call them essentials anyways. All my junk, and there's still a little bit of room left. So the pros are it's cute, it's durable, and it's fairly roomy. The cons are it's kind of awkward to use, and that might just be true of all backpacks for me, because like when I get out of the car, I like to just kind of just throw the purse either over my shoulder, or I hold it like in the crook of my arm. And with this one, you can't really do that. You have to like actually put it on as a backpack. The other thing that happened more than once, when I went to like sling it over my shoulder, stuff fell out. So you definitely have to make sure that you close the flap, but even then, like, stuff has a tendency to fall out. Not so fun story. I actually lost my cell phone in my car because I just, flung the backpack into the passenger seat, and my cell phone fell out of the backpack and it got wedged between the driver's side seat and the center console. So, after a thorough search of my car, because I ran out of other places to look for it, I finally found it. So, yeah, if you don't have your flap, like, securely fastened, stuff will fall out. Now, you may notice that there's a yellow spot right there. There's probably some more yellow spots. So what happened was, I keep a pill box in there and I take lots of vitamins. And one of those vitamins is turmeric. If you don't know, turmeric is also a spice. It's orange. And it stains. And what happened was, one of my turmeric capsules decided to escape from its pill box and explode in the bottom of the purse. So the inside bottom of my purse and all of the contents in it had turmeric on them. So I pretty much cleaned up all the stuff that was on the inside of the purse, but there's still turmeric in there. And then, I'm touching stuff, and then I'm touching the purse, and so the outside of it is kind of yellow. So I am going to switch purses, and I'm going to try to wash this in the washer. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I'm gonna try it. And then that way maybe I can, like, resell this. I don't want to resell it when it's got, like, yellow stains on it. I've also got yellow stains on my hands, but, So, yeah. Overall, it's good quality. Like, it's durable. It looks to be really well made. I just think the backpack style is not really for me. So hopefully this thing survives a go in the washing machine. We shall see. But yeah, it's a great bag. It's cute, but I think it's not for me. Maybe it's for you. Okay, so I'm gonna try the cleanser that was in the Spring FabFitFun box, Tula Probiotic Skincare. So I know that probiotics are supposed to go in your belly and help with your digestion, but I've never heard of putting probiotics in skincare, so I'm really not sure what the benefit is, but I'm going to give it a try. It smells decent. It's like a very subtle scent, so that probably means it doesn't have a ton of fragrance. Makes a really thick lather, that's for sure. Okay, my face feels really good. It feels nice and clean. It also feels a little moisturized. It doesn't feel dried out. I will say though that the scent, when you're just like squeezing it out of the tube, is a little different from when you're actually putting it on your face. It kind of has a weird smell when you're putting it on your face. And maybe it's just because it doesn't have a lot of added fragrance to it. I don't know. But that would be my only criticism, pretty much. It lathers really well. In fact, I probably used too much, so I'll probably use a little less next time. But other than that, like, my face feels great. It feels really clean, but not like, you know, all dried out. So, I really like it. Hello. So, let's talk about this lotion. This is probably my new favorite. So when I got out of the shower, dried off, and I put it all over my body, and so first off, it smells like oranges, like real actual oranges, not fake, artificially sweet, artificial orange. So I'm a fan of that. Secondly, it absorbs really quickly. And thirdly, it makes your skin feel really, really soft. And fourthly, the scent lasts a really long time. Like, I was smelling it on myself most of the day. Like, I think it kind of fizzled out around noon or so. But, so it stays with you for a little while. So this is like one of my new favorites. I'm in love with it. I recommend it. And that's that. I don't know what more I can say. It's awesome. I love it. Okay, so it is time to try the Wild Rose Facial Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial from Kors. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I think it's Greek. Anyways, it's supposedly a very good, brand for skincare. So, basically it's just a night moisturizer. It says you just put it on your skin at nighttime. It is nighttime. I have washed my face. I do still have a little bit of mascara residue, but we'll take care of that tomorrow. So it does smell like roses, which is like one of my favorite scents. It's a very heavy duty, super thick. So, oh yeah. Oh my god, this is like super duper thick. So I'll just put it on. It says it's supposed to like melt into your skin. It definitely smells good. It definitely sinks into your skin. It's not greasy at all, which is kind of surprising, pleasantly surprising for a cream that's like this thick. Because usually those are kind of the greasier ones. And with it being summertime now, well, it's technically not summertime, but it was 100 degrees today, and it's supposed to be over 100 degrees tomorrow. So, yeah, it's hot, and you don't want anything that's going to clog up your pores and make you break out. This is awesome. It's already soaked into my skin. So, where are my glasses? Here they are. Kind of hard to find your glasses when you don't have your glasses on to see. Yeah, so just preliminary verdict. This stuff is awesome. It smells fantastic. It soaks into your skin. It's not greasy at all. We're gonna, check it out in the morning. I'm gonna go to sleep. See how my face is in the morning. Usually it's not a pretty sight, but yeah, so do I honestly expect to see a noticeable amount of brightening. Probably not, but you never know. We'll see. So stay tuned. I will get back with you guys in the morning. If I can remember. Okay. Okay, so it's not actually the next morning. It's actually a few days later. And I have to say that I really love this stuff. The Wild Rose Sleeping Facial, whatever they call it. In fact, I'm going to put some more on. It is currently Sunday night. I just got out of the shower. So I'm just going to put some of this on. God, it smells amazing. It smells like real roses, not fake nastiness. And I noticed that the smell lingers, like, for quite a while. So it's a nice scent while you're drifting off to sleep. And when I woke up the next morning, my skin was super soft. So yeah, I love this stuff. I cannot remember how much it costs. I will have to double check and see. I'm sure with it being this brand that it's going to be a little costly. It's really awesome though. It's like, it's thick, but it soaks in really easily, and it smells fantastic. Your skin is super soft in the morning, so I love it. Try it, you know, if you can afford it. If you can't, freaking subscribe to FabFitFun, and then it'll be in your box at a discounted price. So, I definitely recommend it. It's awesome. What's up? Okay, so we are going to try the Champagne Charcoal Body Scrub. I'm about to take a shower, so I figured I'd go ahead and give this a try. If you remember, this is the stuff that looks disgusting, but it actually smells amazing. It's very fruity. It really looks gross, but it has charcoal in it, so that's what gives it that beautiful color. It's supposed to also, like, really be good for your skin, like removes toxins or something. I don't know. So it's a scrub. It feels good. Get my elbows. Yeah, I've definitely got dry, dead skin, so I imagine that this is going to do all kinds of wonderful things for my skin. It totally feels like it's, like, making my circulation better. I don't know, it does feel really good. Yeah. It feels like it's doing what it's supposed to. Like I said, it looks gross, but it actually smells fantastic. It's flaking off into the sink, but I'm just going to finish the rest of my body. And for the record, yes, I am completely naked. Like I said, I'm about to get into the shower, so I am literally naked on the internet right now. Not that anybody wants to see that, which is why it's from here up. So yeah, I'm gonna finish scrubbing the rest of my body, jump in the shower, rinse this stuff off, and I will get back to you guys with my final verdict on this product. Okay, I'm out of the shower. I feel fantastic. That champagne body scrub is amazeballs. So as you're scrubbing it on, it totally feels like it's like increasing your circulation and just scrubbing off all that dead skin. And then when you jump in the shower and rinse it off, your skin is baby butt smooth. It's fantastic. My skin is like super soft right now. I love it. It's fantastic. I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, that's my final verdict. It looks gross, but it smells great, it works great, it feels great. Just touching myself like I'm on ecstasy or something. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. And so that's it. That's the last item in my FabFitFun box. So thank you for watching, and thank you for letting me ramble on and on about all of these products in my FabFitFun box. Just a reminder, this is not a sponsored video. I pay for this box out of my own money, and I don't get paid to say what I say, so, and I'm saying a bit much. I'm kind of rambling, so I'm going to end this now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.